Maya.
Nishabena.
I love my life. 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 No, no, we don't know when tomorrow might bring, cause the future, the hours away. So me, I live my life today. Me, I live my life today. Yeah, so love me, make me talk.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Savannah. If you haven't done so already, do me and yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button. Today is like 75, 80 degrees out, and my friends Cassandra and Ingrid want to just do some catching up, have a few drinks, and I was like, oh, why not show you guys a little bit in the life? So yeah, we're probably gonna just have a drink or two or three or five. What are you gonna get? I want something with the most alcohol in it. What has the most alcohol? What if I should just get an LIT?
Soggy dollars.
A saggy what?
Soggy dollars.
Where do you see that? Soggy dollar painkiller. Rum, pineapple juice. No, it has too much juices. I think a mojito. No. Or I can get a rum punch. Blended 4 rums. Boom. I'm getting... No, I just want something with a lot of alcohol.
We get a banana Bailey's Coolata.
Get a margarita, Sav. Margaritas are mad bomb.
I hate it. I don't be picky with margaritas. I like your margaritas.
BBC.
What's BBC? Banana Bailey's Colada.
You guys are canceled.
What?
Because I said BBC and you guys completely said something.
Oh my god.
Can we have 3 shots tequila?
Yeah.
And can I have a blackberry mojito, please?
Blackberry mojito, spicy watermelon, a spicy mango margarita.
And then the banana Bailey's Coolata.
Gotcha. And 3 shots?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, that's fine. You're crazy. You're crazy.
How am I crazy?
God, yeah.
Which filling?
I just have a YouTube, just vlogging. You know, the first time we're bar hopping, so
Gotcha.
great time.
Are we live right now? Are we on the air?
Well, yes, do you want to be on the air?
Yeah, what's good? What's
Sure,
up? What do I say?
hey.
What's going on? Welcome back, you know,
Yes.
to Coastal, getting some to-go drinks, bar hopping, bouncing around.
We got 3 shots on the way. That's so cute.
Right.
Maybe if we stay back. Oh yeah, if I go back.
Spicy mango,
Thank you so much.
blackberry mojito,
Ooh, it's like
a couple shots.
Thank you.
Alrighty, girls. Cheers. Welcome back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers to life. Do you want to get food at Chaining Times? Oh, is Chaining Times canceled? Sorry.
Trading Times is fucking canceled. On camera. But word.
Let's walk around.
Mojitos. I fucking love mojitos. It reminds me of Dominican Republic.
The first drink I had in ZR was a mojito. Oh. Yeah.
Look at yourself. Is Ingrid ordering? Hey!
You said we have to be seated, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll pick some. Alright, sounds good.
I'm really putting that up, just so you know.
Let me know what we can cross.
Isn't drinking and like walking
This is
illegal?
nice.
Bitch in the sun.
Oh, illegal? Yeah.
Cassandra, you sound like you have COVID.
I do.
This bitch doesn't. Don't order. We'll order for you. I give her a kiss on the cheek. She's like, hey. I'm like, are you sick?
I saw that. Did you turn away from her?
No.
Nah, I have allergies too.
No, but I start to sneeze too when I'm having this for too long.
Remember when we used to have our ladies' nights in here?
Ladies' night. Rest in peace.
Yeah, this is depressing.
Are you done with that drink?
No.
This is depressing. Like, this whole thing.
Okay, so we have to get shots. That's the rule. Every place we go to that's new. Okay, it's 1 shot. Alright. These bitches didn't want to take a shot with me, so I'm gonna take it by myself.
She didn't fucking offer.
We can get another one.
Yeah, let's.
Yo, Savannah.
Wait, why don't you just? We can order 2.
Okay.
Right?
Cancel that part. Cut.
So, yeah, they ended up not taking a shot, so I'm back to square one, taking my own shot. I stopped the whole video just for them. I don't need lime.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Off camera, she does. It's alright.
I can't believe I'm taking another shot. This is only the second shot though, right?
Cass.
You know what we should have taken?
What? Green shots? Wanna do it?
Huh?
Wanna take green shots?
No, I'm done. I'm done taking shots though, but we should have taken like... Hey, this is smooth.
What do you wanna do?
They have this kill call. So that's like Aves.
Oh, I heard of it.
You wanna do it? I'll order it right now.
No!
You want to do it?
Oh my god. I like lime. I think lime is like, it's very compatible. No? Take a lime. It tastes so good. Where?
I have my wine to watch it now.
Yum.
The sun is burning my foot. Oh my god, I definitely have a tan on my foot. I wish your mom was okay with us smoking hookah. Oh my god, imagine by the pool.
I don't think my mom would care.
Yo, Ingrid, don't
My
tell
mom
me
wouldn't
that.
care.
Can you
I
please
don't think
ask her? I will bring the hookah to the house.
She would not get mad. I'm
Can
an
you
adult.
ask,
I'm a whole adult. Like,
Oh,
what? Just literally hit me up whenever. You're not doing anything.
I want
and
us all to go though so I could drink.
She's never doing anything either. No, I'm saying like
Not doing shit ever.
Because
We're
I'm
not
on
doing
unemployment.
Just collecting unemployment.
this is what people. Can you believe that people who are capable of working like collect unemployment?
Or no, you know what?
No.
This bitch
I do
collects
too.
too. People who, but seriously, people who work from home or just like, I feel like this is the fucking life.
It is. It really is like getting paid to like do nothing. Well, anywhere.
This is how you eat chicken wing.
I could do that too.
Hold up. Eat a chicken wing? Let's go.
But
do
you
it.
eat it in one bite.
What are you
don't split
doing?
it.
No, you're right. You're supposed to break
No,
it.
you're supposed to put it in your mouth and
No,
rip it
but
off
this
it.
is how I
don't
was
think I
taught.
could do it.
Hold
that's
on.
not how Be Love does it.
Who's that?
She creates seafood oils.
Hold on.
Damn, I've never had one of those.
No, you're supposed to break
Are you
it.
kidding me? You need to have one. Go to Cajun Claws and Patchogue and there's
It didn't happen.
Voodoo grab.
Whatever you just tried to do, I tried to do. It didn't happen.
Look, there's
I
two
try to, like-
bones here. Okay, look. This is what you do. I hope you guys are paying attention to me. Okay, go. Cool.
That much.
Now you have this one, right?
You didn't do it right. You're supposed to literally like.
No, you take apart the two bones. Take apart the two bones.
Oh, that was so ugly on camera. I look like a weirdo.
Huh?
You don't do it right. You're supposed to do it in one.
on top of your faces.
At changing time.
Alright,
Perfect
forget
way
it. Just forget it. Just forget it.
You don't got the tongue work, that's why.
Wow!
You know John knows how to tie a cherry knot?
So do I.
No,
Don't
you
fucking
don't.
tell me.
Oh, so you guys let it.
I'm gonna ask him to bring me a drink with a cherry.
Or Shirley Temple?
Who could do it faster? Tell me. You don't see my red
Oh my
ass
god, a
face?
crow. That means somebody's gonna die.
Stop.
You should watch Vikings.
Oh my god, two
drinking
crows.
and
People are
driving.
gonna die.
And when they go that means someone can die. When they literally come here and crow,
So I think I think we should just keep drinking because
someone's about to die.
yeah. You don't know if,
Horrible.
oh my god, there's a third one. That means
Oh,
we're
he's chewing on a french fry. Look at him. Sab, you have to watch Vikings.
They're savage.
Literally gonna finish the whole 6 seasons in one day.
oh, you know, wow, bitch is trying to say that I got all the time in the world.
Basically, all you do is collect.
Yo, that's all Ingrid's been saying. This bitch, she's forgetting that she's fucking collecting unemployment like me. This dumb bitch. This bitch, yeah, she has time.
But you watched 8 seasons of Game of Thrones in 2
I
weeks.
did. I watched like 8 seasons of
In 2
Game of
weeks.
Thrones. No, I think it was like 6.
weeks.
It was 8 seasons of Game of Thrones in 2 weeks.
It was.
I did.
I remember. You were in collective unemployment. I can only imagine now.
I had 3
Stop
jobs.
because you just look like mine for 2 seconds.
Do I look like? But no one has ever told me I look like Maya.
Yeah, you were just
Maya has her mouth.
Yeah,
Like when
big
Ingrid
ass
laughs,
mouth,
Maya has
that's
that big
that's
mouth.
that's exactly what I said.
A
You
big
know what's
mouth
crazy
talk
though?
all that
Like,
shit.
yo, guys, look right there.
We have a friend.
Isn't that crazy? Who's dying? One of us is gonna die on the way home. No, I'm just kidding.
Definitely want something.
Look,
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He just took a chicken wing.
No way.
He did. He just took a whole spoon. It's a spicy
Did he really
wing. I
take
hope he's
a wing?
prepared,
I'm gonna
yeah.
tag you in there.
Wait, where the fuck did he get the wing from?
From here.
Right there.
Oh, so it was just the bone. Oh my
Say
god.
who's behind it.
Can you believe that? Hi. You're so dramatic. Why do you have to yell like that?
We're gonna post that one.
This bitch said, "Oh!"
Hi, sorry, the plant fell.
To be continued, bitch.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave comments, and let us know what you think.